Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about mulch and a lot of questions I get from customers. And can I, some of the questions I get is, can I use this stuff in my garden? And I say yes, but it has to wait to about 9 months to a year before I would put this stuff, around the plants or whatnot. The second thing is, can I grow grass? Or do I, will this settle down enough to where I can grow grass? No, you can't grow grass on top of this. You'll have to haul it off. The third question I get asked a lot, can I put this around my house? Use it as filler around the house for the plants, and go to Lowe's and buy mulch to put on top of this. And I would say, I would suggest not to, because it could draw, after a while it's going to draw termites. To be the third thing. And so if you want to grow grass after I grind the stump at your house, or whoever comes to grind stumps, my suggestion would be is to bag all this up, go down and get some soil conditioner, or buy a bag of topsoil at Lowe's or Home Depot or wherever your local landscaping company, and throw the dirt down, fill in the hole, throw some grass seed, and it'll grow. Or the quickest way is to bag this all up, go get some sod and lay down sod. I prefer that way. If it was my house, I would lay down sod. It does great. Over a period of time, this is going to settle, and you need to keep filling a little bit of dirt in unless you pack it in. That's why in a lot of videos you'll see me take the stump grinder and go back and forth with it. I'm packing it down. You see, when I till it around there, it's got a lot of dirt in it. So I usually push the top in the mulch, and then I'll pull back and I'll get the dirt that's already in the mulch, and it and then I'll run over it back and forth a couple times, and it packs it down. And then I'll take a rake and rake it out a little bit.